Little green sunfish saves the day. Thanks, buddy. I'm officially bottom of the barrel for the bait. I had 4 little green sunfish and 1 big bait. And the big bait, the big hubcap bluegill that was going to be the target, like he came off. I put him down. He came off. It was not cool. He just, he shook the hook off. Good stuff. And then I've had a couple other little incidents. I'm at the last spot. And I have like 2 bait fish left, little greenies. So it's sort of a Hail Mary kind of situation. Bottom of the 9th. Whatever particular sports analogy you want to use for things aren't so great for the home team. That little greenie saved the day. Come on, Bubba. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nice and easy. 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 Oh man. I literally pulled that fish right out from under a log. Somebody else has caught this fish too. Let's have a look. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's get... I know. So here's... This is pretty cool. Let's take a look. There's my bait, and you can see that fish didn't have a chance to turn because I knew if he turned I was going to be in trouble, and I managed to stick him early. And then there's somebody else's hook. Somebody else. He probably gave somebody else a bad day. Okay, so before I get hooked by somebody else's hook, take that out. Somebody else's hook. And then we'll get my hook out. And it came out really, really easy. Get myself all positioned here. By position, I mean snag. Which nonsense. All right. Whew. All right. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish right there. The beauty. Beauty. This might be better. Might be better here. All right. We're gonna do grab a quick pick and let him go. There we go. Okay. Just like that. Just like that. Little green sunfish saves the day. Thanks, buddy. You get a pass.